Hey, this is Harrison with Elite Truck. Today we're going to be installing a 1,000-pound weather guard rack onto the 2021 GMC Denali. Initially we're going to start by unboxing and pulling everything out, trying to go through the items in the box to make sure that everything is accounted for, all hardware, everything that you need to get it installed. Next, we're going to start laying it out so we can mount the side channels together. You are supposed to use silicone when mounting these together. The only thing you're not supposed to use silicone for is the rear bar when mounting it, because it is removable. But any of the other side channels, you are supposed to put silicone around all holes and where it slides in together to connect. This is the front bars going on now that are adjustable to fit your bed length. For the 1,000-pound rack, it's anything from a 5.5 foot bed to an 8 foot bed. For the 1,700-pound rack, it's a 6 foot bed to an 8 foot bed. The front bars do just slide right over the side rails, and then the C-clamp connects to the top part of it.
There's a cross member without the weather guard logo.
Connecting the two side rails together with the crossbars, you do kind of have to balance them together standing up so you can get the first bar connected to the second one at the rear, then the removable one also. The rear bar just clips into place with a locking pin. Once you have it fully assembled, you can have it freestanding while you install the non-drill installation clamps that hold it to the actual bed rails. On some trucks that do have the easy access grab handle at the tailgate, for example this GMC Denali, you do have to remove that so that way you can put in the no drill clamp. This is when it is helpful to have two people to walk it onto the bed. The installation could be done individually, but to have an extra person around to help at least get it into the bed when you're installing the final touches of it, it is recommended. And this is the installation of a 1,000-pound weather guard ladder rack on a 2021 GMC Denali 2500.